video, we will understand a most frequently asked interview question, which is the difference between driver.close and driver.quit, right? So these two methods are frequently used in our programming, but we should know the difference. If I use driver.close, what happens, and driver.quit, what happens? And this question has been asked in most of the interviews, right? If you are a Selenium automation tester. So let's first understand what close method will do, and then what quit method will do, and we will take some demonstrations so that the concept will be very clear to you. So the close method will close the current window the driver is working on and quit the browser if it is the last open window. Okay, so if we have multiple windows, and then whichever the window the driver is pointing to, right, that window will be closed, or that tab will be closed. And if it has only one window which is open, not multiple windows, then it will close the entire browser. Okay, so that's the method of close, or that's the functionality of close. So what quit will do, it quits the driver with all the associated windows. No matter which window the driver is pointing to, it is going to quit the driver, right? Whatever driver you have initialized, right, it will be you will be quitting the driver, and it will quit all the associated windows. So where exactly we can use these two, that is also one of the follow-up question you will get. Okay, so the close method, if you don't want to work on if you have opened multiple windows, and then if you don't want to work on any one window, then you can use always close method. But at the end of the execution of your program, you can always call the quit method, so that the driver instance will also be terminated. Okay, so that's about close and quit, and let's try to understand with some demonstration. So what I'm trying to do here is, I'm trying to open gmail.com, and then I will try to call the method close first. So what happens, it is going to open one window, and then the domain is loaded, right? The gmail.com page will be open, and then you will be closing that window. So that's the first one. Let's execute this and see what happens. You can see here the browser has loaded the window, and then it has closed it immediately. If you just want to see the execution properly, I will just add the sleep for somewhere around 3 seconds. Okay, so let's see here. So it is going to open the browser. It will not open multiple tabs or multiple windows. It is opening only one window, and then gmail.com has been loaded, and then it has closed that particular window. Okay, so that is the first functionality. If it is, right, only one window which is opened, it is going to close even the browser, right? If the current window is the last window which is open, it is going to, right, quit the browser also. But let's see what I will do here. I will come to gmail.com, and I will click on this particular help link, right? This particular help link, I will click on this help link, which is going to open me a new window. But I will not use window handles and all to switch to this window. Just for the demonstration of close, which window it is going to close, whether it will close both the windows or which window it is going to close, I will demonstrate. Okay, so now after loading the page, driver dot find element, right, by dot link text, I will use help dot click. Okay, so I'm loading gmail.com, and then I am going to click on this particular help link. I will just increase my wait time so that we can see the execution properly. So I'm going to execute this again. You can see here Gmail is loaded, and then help also has been loaded. Now which window will get closed? As you can see here, the gmail.com has been closed because that is the window the driver was pointing to, because we have not used window handle to switch to help page. I have just opened the help page. If you don't have clarity on these multiple window handling, you can always go back to our Selenium series and watch how exactly you will handle the windows, multiple windows. So that is the second definition. This method will close the current window the driver is working on or driver is pointing to. So when I was clicking on this help, the driver was pointing to gmail.com, right? For that even though the if we do it manually, when I click on help, this window will be shown visually, but the driver will still be pointing to this particular gmail.com window, that is parent window only, until we use get window handles and switch to this window. In our test script, this window will not be the driver will not point to this window. It will always be pointing to the default window or the parent window, right? So that is the second explanation. That is the close method. Whichever is the window which it is pointing to, if we have multiple windows, it is going to close the window which the driver is pointing to. So that's about close method. So in this same example, instead of close, I will use quit. Instead of close, I will use quit. Now you can see the difference. Now what happens, it is going to close both the windows. Earlier when I use it is going to quit both the windows. Earlier when I used close, it was closing only gmail.com, but when I use quit, right, it is quitting everything. It is quitting both the windows, and then the driver instance will be terminated. Okay, so that's about driver dot close and driver dot quit.